Click on the link below to get price. The Maxwell Scott Women's Luxury Leather Triple Zip Bowling Bag Purse is a stunning example of craftsmanship and style that seamlessly blends practicality with elegance. Made from high-quality Italian leather, this bag not only boasts a luxurious feel but also promises durability for years to come. The supple texture of the leather is complemented by a rich color palette, which adds sophistication to any outfit, whether it be for a casual outing or a formal event. One of the standout features of this bag is its triple zip design. The multiple compartments provide generous storage space, allowing for easy organization of essentials such as your wallet, phone, and cosmetics. The zippers glide smoothly, ensuring quick access to your belongings without the hassle of rummaging around. The interior is lined with a soft fabric that adds an extra touch of luxury and protects your items from scratches. The bowling bag's structured shape gives it a classic appeal, while the comfortable handles allow for easy carrying. Additionally, the bag comes with a detachable shoulder strap, providing versatility for different occasions. Whether you prefer to carry it by hand or sling it over your shoulder, the choice is yours. The bag's thoughtful design includes sturdy base feet to protect the leather from wear when placed on surfaces, which is an essential feature for daily use. However, while the price point may be on the higher side, the quality and craftsmanship justify the investment. The timeless design ensures that this bag will remain a staple in your wardrobe for years, transcending seasonal trends. Moreover, the attention to detail, from the stitching to the hardware, highlights Maxwell Scott's commitment to excellence. In summary, the Maxwell Scott Women's Luxury Leather Triple Zip Bowling Bag Purse is an exquisite accessory that combines style, functionality, and durability. It's perfect for those who appreciate luxury and are willing to invest in a piece that elevates their wardrobe while standing the test of time.